Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to freeze the top row in Microsoft Excel so that your headings stay visible while scrolling. Open Microsoft Excel. Here I have a large data sheet. When I scroll down, the header row disappears. To fix this, click on the View tab. Now click on Freeze Panes. Then select Freeze Top Row. That's it. Now scroll down. You can see that the first row remains visible while the rest of the data scrolls. If you want to unfreeze it, go to View. Click Freeze Panes. Select Unfreeze Panes. You can also freeze multiple rows. If you want to freeze the first 4 rows, click on row 5. Go to View. Click Freeze Panes. Select Freeze Panes again. Now first 4 rows are frozen. This is extremely useful when working with long financial reports, attendance sheets, or sales data. That's how you freeze the top row in Excel.